Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Herman and today I'm gonna talk about making money as a travel photographer. In a previous video, I already explained how you can build up a portfolio and how you can travel for free. But the next step is the most important, getting paid clients. This is by far the most difficult step. Assuming that you have built up a portfolio and that you have a good media kit as discussed in the previous video, it's essential that you use all tools you can get to build your brand. Make a website with your best shots and build up a pricing strategy. Pricing is also a difficult thing, but work something out that feels good for you. For example, make a fixed price package for a full day of shooting, or for a specific number of photos. Or you can give 2 photos free and the rest in a package deal for a specific amount of money. Be as clear and detailed about your pricing as possible. To build your brand, you have to join online photography communities, attend photography events, network with other photographers, and reach out to potential clients directly. Go to big travel venues and talk with marketing people from tourism boards. Send emails to tour operators, transportation rental companies, tourism boards, hotels and resorts, and if they don't answer, call them. Additionally, you can use social media platforms such as Instagram and Facebook to promote your work and connect with potential clients. Also, get yourself published in local tourism magazines. Try to connect with the marketing companies that do the marketing for big hotel chains, so if they are happy with the first shoot, they will call you for the rest of their hotels. I hope these little tips are helpful, so be sure to subscribe to my channel with one of the buttons here below, and if you have questions or topics you want me to cover in the next video, just post them in the comments below. Bye bye and see you next time!